US index this week has risen in value, even though where we can see that the price had problems on Wednesday, where the price tried to return back down below 105, very important support level, and with a large wick. But after that, the price has created this bullish candle, which was in the validation of this bearish breakout, where after that the price continued to rise in value and reach at the next support level, which is 105.64. Weekly time frame shows us that we have currently a weekly bullish breakout, because the price has continued to rise above 105, very important resistance level, and it has reached the next resistance level at 105.64. It has not broken above. Monthly time frame, after half month has been passed, the price returns back up, but it is at the halfway until it reaches this resistance level, which is very important. We can see on the monthly time frame right here. What will happen around this area? It is something that we need to watch, but we can see a very important and very critical level is around this one, around 106.40 and 60. I will go to the weekly and the daily, just a minute. 106.30. This should be, I think, monthly. Let's see. It is very important level on the monthly time frame. Yeah, here it is. Now this will be very important resistance level for the price. If we return back to the daily and the weekly, first of all, weekly, we need to see the price closing about 105.64 in order to reach 106.38, which is very important resistance level. The daily time frame shows us these are very important levels, and we can see when the price goes above, it reaches the next supply zone. Here it is at the resistance. So this is the next goal for the price. After the price has formed this bullish breakout, continue to rise in value, which is a great signal for the price. So this means we are currently outside of this indecision range area where the price was moving sideways, and the price tends to move even more high. So I'm expecting to see the price reaching higher price levels, but before that happens, I need to see the price making a bullish breakout, like in this example where the price has gone above the resistance and it has closed above that, where the price continued to move in that direction. Now, will that happen again? We will see. This is something that I'm expecting. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.